Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, what happened today? Today I didn't get time to do speaking practice, reading and listening. I did a morning time but little bit. The way I do every day I didn't get time to do, and I was occupied. I was occupied, and in this way I didn't get time to do. So you know now I have a little bit time, so I thought I will do my practice by taking one topic with myself. I do a speaking practice over the app and all. So now I don't have time to do a speaking practice over the app, but while doing my work I can do a speaking practice with myself. And that is why I decided one topic, and that topic is rainy, because it was raining, and it is raining here. So I got that idea I should talk about rainy. And I will talk about rainy season with myself. No matter how many minutes and hour I'm going to talk, but I will do and I will talk. And in this way, today I'm going to maintain my consistency and keep my consistency, because consistency, as we know that consistency is the key of success. And I have given a lot of hard work and time to maintain my consistency, to create a chain, so how I can break it easily. Yeah, it's happened in our life. Sometimes we don't get time, and uh, time don't in our favor. Sometimes it doesn't work in our favor, but we can get out at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes, at least 2 minutes also. And we can do practice and keep our consistency in this way. So today I'm also going to do this that one, because I could not that one, but I can do speaking practice with myself while doing my work. So in this way today I'm gonna keep my consistency and maintain my consistency. So friend, I know this video, in this video I'm not sharing anything for you people, which so that you can learn something. But if you get such time in your life, any days you cannot do a speaking practice, so you can do a speaking practice with yourself by taking one topic, and in this way you can also maintain your consistency. Because if we I know that 2 minute practice, 5 minute practice cannot be effective and helpful for us. But what will happen if we don't do even 5 and 2 minute practice? We will feel guilty and our confidence will lose. We will lose our confidence. And if we think that what will happen if I don't do 1 day 2 day, in this way we will start becoming lazy and away from our practice. And that thing will become hard for us. So my dear friend, if you don't have time, if you get such situation, so do practice at least for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but do. In this way you will feel proud, and you will maintain your consistency too. So I know this video is not helpful, but it's okay. But today in this way I'm gonna do my practice, as well as maintain my consistency. So bye bye, we will meet in next video with new something.